Dear learners, welcome. Myself, Dr. Abdul Karim, Faculty of Biochemistry, School of Sciences, IGNOU. Today, I will be discussing with you about how to prepare for the upcoming term and examinations. For this, I would like to give you few suggestions. You may consider them as tips for the preparing examinations. The first thing I would like to share here is plan your preparation schedule. That means up to now, you might have spent some time to go through your self learning materials and you might have collected some information from other references also. Here, now it is time to look into the date sheet that is already available and plan how much preparation you want to do in between each examination and as well as before the start of the examination. Like this, you need to plan your preparation because there are so many courses which a student need to appear. There might be six in some case, there might be seven in other cases. Okay, but irrespective of your course or program, you need to plan your preparation. Then you can easily do better in the examination. So that means plan your schedules properly according to the time that you can honestly dedicate to the timetable which you are preparing. The second point is keep achievable targets. See, for example, here I would like to say an example. In a particular course, there are 14 units. Okay, and you need to complete these 14 units in 10 days for suppose as a revision. I can say here, is it possible for you to go through them in 10 days? If not, try to be honest to yourself. Then look into the facts, how much preparation you have already done so far, how much you need to complete in the coming days. So, like this, keep a target that is really needy and that is really true in the sense of achieving it. That is another advantage, another advice I would say here for you people to plan your preparation. Okay, so I will try to be bilingual in between so that जो स्टूडेंट्स हिंदी में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हिंदी में तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए भी आसान हो जाएगा. मैं यहाँ कह रहा हूँ कि आपको अपना एक टाइम टेबल बनाना चाहिए जिसमें आप सचमुच में जितना टाइम आपके पास है, अब जितना आपको पढ़ाई करना है, इन दोनों चीज़ों के बीच में ध्यान देते हुए एक सही टाइम टेबल प्लानिंग से आपको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. Now, the third point which I would like to emphasize, this will help you both for preparation as well as in what is called as writing your examinations, I would like to say. That is use of flowcharts and diagrams to prepare your notes as well as while appearing while writing the exams. Here, what I mean by writing flowcharts, for example, there is a chapter. Okay, for example, you take a chapter of proteins. Okay, so in that case of proteins, so you need to make a simple one page chart or diagram for the particular chapter. That means what is protein definition, then types of proteins. There are 3 to 4 types, an example for each type. Then the other applications of proteins. Okay, so like this, you need to make a chart in a single page. At the maximum, you can go to 2 pages that will explain you about the whole chapter. This will give you a holistic idea about the entire chapter that you are going to what is called as prepare, and as well as in the case of examinations also, whenever you are writing any answer, try to be a little innovative by using diagrams, flowcharts, pictures, wherever required. You can use such skills so that that way you can make your preparation faster. At the same time, you can memorize many things in a short span of time. This is one way of what is called as completing the chapters in a short manner. Another thing here, this is important because many times students keep on asking us, sir, tell us some important questions, how to prepare for the examination. See, I suggest to all of you because अब तक आप लोग assignments दे चुके होंगे, ठीक है? So in assignments also you have some important questions. Okay, am I right? Then In each unit of IGNOR material, you will find SAQs, सेल्फ असेसमेंट क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे मिलेंगे आपको, उनको आंसर करिए। अभी तक अगर आंसर नहीं किया है तो जरूर करना शुरू कर दीजिए। द सेम टाइम टर्मिनल क्वेश्चंस, इनको भी जरूर पढ़ना पड़ेगा, पढ़ के उनके आंसर्स भी सीखना जरूरी है। लाइक दिस, इफ यू कवर असाइनमेंट्स not only for this particular session, you can go back to previous sessions also, take the assignments of previous sessions also, just go through them, then ICQs, then terminal questions. So if you compile all these three, it will be a huge amount of information that will guide you. Okay, these are the core concepts, these are the core areas which I need to focus at least to complete my examination. But I advise to read the total syllabi, total chapters, total units. But if someone is running short of time and because of whatever reasons you are short of preparation, then this is another way of preparing for the upcoming examination. Another thing here, to speed up your preparation and learning process, remember, watch videos. Okay, here videos means don't go and search on the YouTube channel and other things. Okay, if you are doing on YouTube, that is well and good, but if you are trying to find a right platform and right what's called as the content is important. Okay, sometimes what will happen if you start searching for something and you will end up with something, पता है ना ये, आप कुछ खोजते रहते हैं, कुछ और मिल जाता है, फिर उसमें भटक जाते हो, तो इससे बचना है आपको। मैं सजेशन करूंगा कि आप गो टू इग्नोस प्लेटफॉर्म, वेयर ऑन इग्नोस पेज यू विल फाइंड इग्नो ऑनलाइन। मैंने काफ़ी बार ये बच्चों को डेमो दे चुका हूँ, चाहे तो मैं एक बार और कभी लिंक आपको शेयर कर दूंगा, बट फिलहाल आई कैन एडवाइज यू गो टू द इग्नो पेज, गो टू इग्नो ऑनलाइन, देर यू कैन सी ज्ञानधारा, ज्ञानवाणी, VAS portal, then Swayamprabha channels, and as well as you will find EMPC channels also. All these channels are available, which are authentic and which are giving the clear-cut information related to your examination. So this is my advice. Instead of wandering here and there, better stick to one platform where you will get the what is called as genuine information to the point with respect to your courses. Okay, that is one more point. Then this is important. Important, all the points are important, but this is more important because since we are talking about examinations, okay, and you are asking about important questions, I would like to say refer the previous question papers. Sometimes, for example, in the case of biochemistry, our program launched recently, 2 years old. Because of COVID, some issues happening there. But however, you can refer the question papers for other subjects that are available on the website. Apart from that, for biochemistry also, we have question papers that are available on the website. If someone is finding difficulty in getting the question papers, I will provide my email ID. Please write to me with a specific query, but don't send queries regarding the assignment submission, your admission queries, because I am not able to answer those queries through email, and moreover, sometimes I don't have answers also. That's why I advise and I request you write anything which is related to biochemistry course, subject, preparation, question papers, any information regarding the courses, but don't go beyond that. Okay, that way I can at least answer many of your queries. Okay, so refer to previous question papers not only for biochemistry, for all the courses which are going to appear in the term and examination. Yeah, लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, ग्रुप डिस्कशन। अगर आपको टाइम परमिट करता है, अगर आपके आसपास में आपके दोस्त हैं या आपके कोई ग्रुप्स हैं, सोशल ग्रुप्स हो या क्या बोलते हैं पर्सनल ग्रुप्स भी हो, तो इन दीज ग्रुप्स यू कैन डिस्कस, बट डोंट डिस्कस अनवांटेड थिंग्स, डिस्कस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट कि हैव यू प्रिपेयर दिस टॉपिक, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, कैन यू प्लीज गाइड मी हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड, हाउ टू रीड दिस, व्हाट इज़ द बेटर वे। सो वही काम की चीज़ में डिस्कस करिए ताकि आपका भी फायदा होगा, आपका दोस्तों का भी फायदा होगा। Otherwise, better avoid these group discussions. That's why I kept question marks here. Okay, इसमें ज़्यादा रमेश मत करिए. The above things, the all other points you can focus for the preparing your term and examination. As I said, this is my email ID, which you can note down, and is also available on IGNO platform. Once again, request you please stick to the genuine and specific queries. Don't send the information, the queries that are not in my control.